Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. Okay, so here we have the building and the tower. So building and tower are opposite side. Okay, they are in both opposite sides. So here first I will draw the building. Angle of elevation of the top of a building and from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. Okay, so here let us draw the first ground. I draw ground. This is the ground. Okay, and here is the tower. This is the AB. AB is the tower, and this one CD. CD is the building. Okay, so here I will write first AB. AB is the height of the tower. Height of the tower, that is equal to, given some tower is 50-meter high. Okay, and CD. CD is equal to what? Height of the building. CD is the height of the building. CD is the height of the building. Okay, that is the question mark. So CD is the building. So here what? C is called the top of the building. Top of the building. And D is called the bottom of the building, otherwise foot of the building. Foot of the building. D is called foot of the building. D is the point, foot of the building. Again A is the top of the tower. Top of the tower. Okay, A is the top of the tower, and B is called foot of the tower. Foot of the tower. Okay, this much we must know, then only we can able to draw the figure. So according to the question C, what we have to do here, they said that the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower, from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So foot of the tower is a B point. From the B you have to draw to the top of the building like this. From B to C, the B to C, the angle is what? 30 degree. B to C angle is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, top of the tower, top of the tower means A, from the foot of the building. From the foot of the building means D is the point. So from D to A we have to draw an angle of elevation, and the angle is what? Is 60 degree. Angle is 60 degree. Over. Our figure is now completed. So here I will write 50 meter. That is enough. So here is the figure is completed. So that is what the figure is more important before solving the problem. So here we have to find out what height of the building. So let us consider height of the building is H. H is the question mark. Height of the building, H is the question mark. So let us start now. Here BD. BD we don't know, so I'll write as a X. X is the BD. So here we have the two triangles. The name of the first triangle is in triangle ABD. Okay, so in this triangle ABD, okay, ABD, this angle is 60 degree. AB is 50 meter and BD is what? X. So in triangle ABD, I have to use here tan theta only. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. Theta is 60 degree. Tan 60. Perpendicular here 50 meter. By base is X. Tan 60 is what? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to 50 by X. So this X is equal to 50 by root 3. So X we got here 50 by root 3. Okay, so one triangle is completed. Another triangle we have, the name of the triangle is in triangle BCD. BCD, in triangle BCD. So in the triangle BCD, here I will draw the triangle BCD. Okay, so this is the triangle BCD. BCD. This is a triangle BCD. B, C and D. Here we have x and CD is the h. Okay. So now in triangle BCD the angle is 30 degree. Angle is 30 degree. Again tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So theta is 30. Tan 30 is equal to h by x will come. That is 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by x. Okay. So x here we have to cross multiply, root 3 also multiply. So x is equal to root 3h. X is equal to what? Root 3h. But we know the x value. What is x value here? X value is 50 by root 3. So in the place of x value, just substitute the 50 by root 3. So is equal to what? Root 3h. This root 3 multiply. Like this multiply. Root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will become what? 3. 50 by 3 is equal to h. Therefore h is equal to 50 divided by 3. If you will divide, you will get the height of the building. So 50 by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, 16.66 meter will come.